Hello everyone, I am Abidon Space from Yampa Travels. I want to use this video to thank all our subscribers all over the world. We thank you so much for clinging to our channels. Thank you so much. And for those that are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, kindly do so that in any time we post any information, you will get a notification without any stress. I have a very important and new update to all American passport holders. Guess what? There's a new development right now that you don't need to go for any manual passport renewal. All you need to do is just to do it right from the comfort of your zone. Kindly watch.
We're back now with an ABC News exclusive about a new way to renew your passport that could save you time. And you can do it all from home. Janae Norman has the details for us. And look like we sent you to the airport to show us what we can do from home. Janae, good morning.
And in fact, you did, Michael. Good morning. And according to the text message from Gio, I'm now a transportation correspondent. This is a huge deal for the tens of millions of Americans who are flocking to airports like this and taking to the skies to travel overseas. No more paper applications or snail mails or long wait times for appointments. You can now renew your passport from home. This morning, a game changer for international travel. For the first time ever, Americans can renew their passports online.
We expect 5 million Americans to be able to use this every year.
The State Department revealing exclusively to ABC News its pilot passport renewal program is now fully available to the public. If you meet the criteria, an adult 25 or older who's had a passport before, you'll no longer have to fill out and print that paper application, mail a check, or make an appointment. The modernization making it easier as a record number of Americans are traveling internationally. Last year, the State Department hit an all-time high, processing and issuing more than 24 million passports.
The process of applying for a passport online will be much more convenient for Americans.
It's pretty simple. You have to create an account to start the application process on the State Department's website, enter your old passport information and upcoming travel plans, and no more finding a place to get your picture taken. For so many Americans, when you get your passport picture, it's a whole ordeal. You have to go somewhere to get it taken. Now you can do that on your phone.
You can upload your photo and apply completely online without having to do anything in person or send anything through the mail.
Just make sure to follow the guidelines. No selfies, a plain white background, and the photo has to be recent. Then check out with the debit or credit card, and you're done. And while current wait times for processing, we're told, are about 6 to 8 weeks, they say that those are coming in much quicker than that, and that's whether you do it online or by mail. However, for expedited services, you do still need to do those by mail or in person, guys.
All right, Janae, it's a game changer right there. All right.
Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channels for more updates.